What's up, guys? This is Sergio from Unique Dioramas. I just want to show you some stuff that we did this week. Start off with this 1/18 scale Trico. It's a stand that they used to use back in the day, where they used to store their windshield wipers for the customer. This door would open, and you would have your wipers in there and slide your wipers out. I got this on Google. I looked it up, saw a picture of it, and I copied it to make it look like the real one. So here's one that I did. Let me show you some other stuff. I want to try to go through this quick. Here's a workbench that we did. A lot of detail. You can see all the nails, the nail heads on there. Little package with some silicone tubing, potato chips, metal Velcro head gasket. Again, you can see all the little detail, all the little nails and everything in there. Very nicely made, very solid. This thing will not break. This is pretty cool, sandblaster. Now I know you guys buy this on eBay, the metal ones that come in that little snap-on kit. I like building my own. I made this one out of wood, resin. Put a couple gauges in there, and some valves, some pipes all the way through. Made it my own. A lot of detail again, that we put the stickers and stuff like that. This actually came off a torch set that was broken. I cut them up and I used them on here. Pretty nice piece. Here's a press. You don't see none of these on eBay either. We built this. We used the springs out of a pen. These little nuts you see up here, that's from an eyeglass repair kit you could buy. They come with all these little bolts and everything that comes in nice and handy for detail. Made out of wood. Again, very solid. This is a pretty cool one. This is a brake lay. Again, I took the picture from Google and tried to copy it. Came up with this. Made out of wood, aluminum. What else we got here? Some nails, some rubber O-rings that you can get at Harbor Freight. They sell a package of them, different sizes. You can put the O-rings in there. It's just detail. That's all it is that makes these things. Show you some other ones. This another cool piece. The Sun performance tester. It's got the battery cables on there that I got off one of these battery chargers. Made out of wood, very solid. Again, I took the picture off of Google, looked at it, and I copied it. All in 1/18 scale. This is for a diorama that I was making, that I am making. So I left the hollow in the back. And the reason why I left the hollow in the back is because it's going to be a 9-volt battery that's going to power some lights inside the diorama. So this is going to be the cover for the 9-volt battery. These boxes you see on there, most of you see these boxes on eBay, the Alpine, the brake boxes and all that good stuff. These boxes are actually designed by me. When I owned A608, I designed all these boxes, and then I put sheets on eBay. Everybody started copying them, and they put them up on eBay for sale. But yeah, I designed all these boxes. But this is a little cupboard that I made, a little closet to cover that 9-volt battery. This is a workbench. I started making these about 12 years ago. They only came in black, and they only do come in black. These types right here that I make. A lot of detail on this. Got the little light with the little pull string on it. Very nicely made. Again, these things are so solid, and it's got a real aluminum countertop. They're not made out of balsa wood. They're made out of basswood, which is a little bit harder. So you can beat these things. These things ain't gonna break. I guarantee all my stuff. This right here is a torch set. Now most of us will buy this torch set on eBay. They come in metal. I make my own. I make them out of resin. So these came off one of the metal ones, and what I did was I took the hoses off and I replaced them using little rods and I put a rod in there. I don't know if you can see the rod, so it makes it sturdier so that they don't break and it don't look real flimsy like the ones you buy on eBay. I made the cart. I used the wheels off of a 164 truck, 164 scale truck. Very nicely made. What else do I have here? Oh, for the sandblast that I showed you, here's the box. It's got a couple sandbags on it. Sika. Speakers. Here's a working 118 speaker, and it works. I bought the speakers from a laptop. They come in metal. I'm trying to see if I have one here that I can show you. Here it is. This is the way they come. They come in metal like this. Okay, that's how they come. You get like, I don't know, 5 or 10 for like a couple bucks. And they belong to a laptop. What I do is I solder wires on it, and you can make these wires long as you want. 6 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot wires. And then what I do is I wrap it in the screen that you use for your windows. I believe I have a piece here somewhere. I might not. But anyway, I use a screen that you use on your window, and I wrap it around it, glue it, and then I build a box around it. Once I build a box around it, I pull the wire through. And if you plug these wires into your stereo at home, for those of you that still have the stereos that you could put the wires in, the left and the positive and negative, the speakers will work just like they work on your laptop. They're nice and loud, just as loud as your laptop, and it puts music in through your diorama. You can hang these on a wall in the diorama or put them on the floor next to the workbench like this. They're actually pretty cool. So yeah, we make these. I think we're the only ones that ever made those. Little garbage can that I made. I picked this up at the flea market for, I think it was a nickel or something. The guy had it in one of those little plastic bins, and I picked it up and I said, "What do you want for this?" He says, 5 cents. I gave him 5 cents for it. I took it home and I put a plastic bag in there, some garbage. Pretty cool for 5 cents. Refrigerator that we make. It's a block of wood. Actually, this is what it looks like. It's a solid block of wood. Sand it down. We cut it. Put the little line through it with a saw. And this is the way we make it. Paint it white. Give it a little bit of a tarnish, and you got yourself a nice solid refrigerator. The ones that you buy on eBay that are for dollhouse 1/12 scale. They're bulky. They look too big. Better off just going to Home Depot. It's got a yellow paint on it. They sell them in blocks. Get a couple blocks. I think they come in 3-footers, and you can make half a dozen of these. I think the block is maybe $3.99, $4.99. You can make half a dozen of these. They come out really nice. And I'm not making fun of anybody on the next thing that I'm going to show you, but somebody wanted a drill press. This is what they showed me. Okay, they told me they've seen this. Well, I'm not even going to mention it where they saw it, but it's for sale. Okay, on a website, and they asked me if I could make one that looks a little bit more realistic. I said I think I could. So I actually made 3 of them. So here's the ones I made. Okay, they have the adjuster. They have the little bit in there, the gas tank with the, I don't know if you guys can see it with the cap on it. It's even got an extension cord on it that comes from behind it with a plug. Like that, if you have electric in your diorama, you could just put this into your electric and make it look very realistic. Yeah, so these are the ones I made. It's out of aluminum and styrene. There's no wood. This is all aluminum and styrene put together. I made 3 of these. Very nice. Again, very solid. This is a compressor that you buy on eBay. Metal comes in a kit. I took all mine apart. Put some fan belts in there that I got from a 1/18 scale engine. So I took the pulleys off the fans, and I used them over here. I drilled them in. I put some steel wool back there. The steel wool's back there, so it looks like the insulation that comes with those compressors. I glued this over here so it looks more realistic and it lays flat rather than dangling around like the kits come. I took all this apart, I re-glued everything, I put a little bit of a rod in there so it's sturdy, sanded it all down, gave it a black wet wash, added some stickers on it, and it looks 100 times better, I think, as far as detail goes. The other thing I made is a light pole. Okay, these light poles are really nice, really nice light poles. There a lot of detail on them, and if you look on here, it has a number just like the real light pole. And now mind you, every light pole we sell, none of them ever come with the same number. This number is 1224, so the next one will be 1225, and so on. We never sell them with the same number on it. They're very detailed. The PVC pipe that's in here actually has all the clips on it, just like the real one. The pole itself has all the little things that they have on the pole that people climb up to fix whatever it is that they fix. And it's pretty cool because if you put this PVC pipe on the side, if you wire this light in, you can actually bring the wires in through here, like these right here. Bring them down the pipes, nobody sees the wires, and it come out to your diorama and make the lights turn on and off. So very nice, very nicely made. Not bulky at all. It's to scale. So it's pretty much what I have for today. Oh, I don't know if you guys remember this. I had this on my other video, a pipe bender. So I did a couple of changes to it. I added this bin here with some pipes in it. I also took this off that was hanging over here. I put it over here and I put the wires going in through it, and I gave it a dirty wash, make it more realistic. Very nicely made, all made out of wood, aluminum, some steel in there. Got the little wrench here. And I think that's all we got for today. Now I'm working on this right here, which is a heater, a reservoir heater. And it's something that I'm just working on it now. It's got all aluminum fins in it. These are all aluminum. Nothing's plastic, all aluminum. Made out of styrene. It's all styrene. So I'm working on that now. I just glued it together. I got some more stuff to add there. And then I'll be sanding it down, spraying it. I'm going to put some pipes in here, some stickers all over it. And on the next video, I'll show you how it came out. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, or dislike the video, whatever you think you like about the video or don't like about the video. But please leave a comment on something you want me to make, and we'll make it here together. And if I haven't made it yet, then it's gonna be a first for me and you. Don't be afraid to ask. Let me know what you guys want me to make, and we'll learn together, step by step. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.